Welcome to Adaptive IELTS. Today we'll explore the word analyze, a crucial term for your IELTS success. This word is especially important for IELTS Writing Task 1, where you describe graphs and data trends, and Writing Task 2, where you examine arguments and analyze issues. It's also essential for IELTS speaking when you need to break down concepts and explain details. Let's start with pronunciation. Analyze is pronounced as n-a-la-hize. Break it down with me. An, stressed. Quick. La, like eyes. Practice with this sentence. We need to analyze the data carefully before drawing conclusions. Notice how we emphasize an at the beginning. Let's practice together again. Now that we've mastered the pronunciation, let's dive into the core meaning of this word. Analyze is a verb that means to examine something in detail in order to understand it better or to draw conclusions from it. In academic contexts, it often involves breaking down complex information into smaller parts, examining those parts closely, and understanding their relationships. Analyze appears in several forms. As a verb, analyze, past tense and past participle, analyzed, present participle, analyzing, and noun form, analysis. The adjective form is analytical. These different forms allow you to use the word flexibly in various contexts. To vary your vocabulary, consider these alternatives. Examine, look at closely. Pause. Inspect, check carefully. Study, look at systematically. Evaluate, assess. Scrutinize, examine very carefully. Dissect, down into parts. For Writing Task 2, sophisticated alternatives include assess and appraise. Use analyze in various contexts. Scientists analyze data to draw conclusions. Let's analyze the main arguments in this debate. The researcher will analyze the survey results next week. You can also use it with different prepositions. Analyze for, look for. Analyze in terms of, consider regarding. Analyze based on, consider according to. Let's boost your natural fluency with these powerful word combinations. Common collocations include analyze data information, analyze trends patterns, analyze results outcomes, analyze the situation problem, carefully analyze, thoroughly analyze, systematically analyze, critically analyze. Consider these IELTS examples. Writing Task 1. In order to analyze the trends shown in the graph, it is necessary to look at each time period separately. Writing Task 2. This essay will analyze the main factors contributing to urban pollution. Speaking Part 2. Let me analyze the reasons why this solution is effective. Speaking Part 3. It's important to analyze both sides of the argument before making a decision. Now it's your turn to practice. Complete these sentences. 1. Before we draw conclusions, we need to blank the data carefully. 2. This report will blank the impact of social media on youth. 3. Scientists blank samples to determine their composition. 4. It's essential to blank the arguments presented in the article. 5. The team will blank the results next week. Your homework. 1. Write 5 sentences using analyze in different contexts related to technology, education, or environment. 2. Find a graph online and write a paragraph analyzing its trends. 3. Write a short essay analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. 4. Create a list of collocations with analyze and use each one in a sentence. Here are some pro tips to boost your IELTS score. For Writing Task 1, use analyze when describing how to interpret data trends. In Writing Task 2, use it to show that you are examining an issue in depth. In Speaking Part 3, use phrases like analyze the situation or analyze the impact to demonstrate critical thinking. Remember to vary your vocabulary. Use analyze along with its synonyms like examine and evaluate. Today we've explored the word analyze, a vital term for your IELTS success. This word is essential for Task 1 when describing data trends and Task 2 when examining arguments. Use it effectively in Speaking Part 3 to demonstrate your ability to think critically. Remember to practice using the different forms of the word and its collocations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.